Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Contacts to import LinkedIn networking lists, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials.
Once signed in, go to the My Network tab located at the top of the home page.
In the My Network section, select Connections from the left sidebar. Look for the option that says More Options or Manage My Network and click on it. Now, find the option to export your connections. Choose the format to export your connections, typically as a CSV file. Download the CSV file to your computer. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Contacts. Log in to your Google account if you aren't already. Once in Google Contacts, locate the Import option on the left sidebar. Click on Import to bring up the Import dialog.
Select the option to upload a file, then choose the CSV file you downloaded from LinkedIn.
Make sure your file is formatted correctly for Google Contacts. Click Import to start the process.
Wait for the import to finish, this may take a few seconds.
Check your Google Contacts to ensure all LinkedIn connections have been added.
You might need to organize or label your new contacts for easier access.
Now you have successfully authorized Google Contacts to import your LinkedIn networking lists.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.